Past few days I've been trying to install Windows 11 onto this 15-year-old desktop. This is the motherboard that it uses. It uses a Q9450 quad core CPU. This fan running on it just to make sure it's cool. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to install Windows 11. Keeps on freezing on me. I'll show you where it freezes. So it keeps on freezing on me when I'm just trying to get this step of Windows 11. This is definitely an unsupported computer for Windows 11, but I just wanted to try. Freezes a lot. What they'd said is it could be the flash drive. So I reinstalled onto different flash drives with no success at all. So I tried different flash drives. What else did I try? I tried swapping out hard drives. No success. I actually installed Windows 10 onto that hard drive and then tried even doing an upgrade to Windows 11, and that failed too. It froze also. So final analysis. My final analysis of the situation is pretty much Windows 11 can't be installed onto this machine. You can install Windows 10. Also, during that time, I installed Linux Lite, so I'll put that in the description, but I highly doubt anyone has this kind of desktop lying around. But if you're going to try it, let me know if you actually install Windows 11. Could be something I have incorrectly set up. And the fan was another thing. I switched out the RAM, have the fan on to cool it down. I think it's just incompatible with Windows 11, so that's my short story, and that's what I'm going to live with. So, sadly, this 15-year-old computer will not run with Windows 11. Again, though, Windows 10 works, as well as Linux Lite, so, and it runs pretty decent. Over and out.